watch me move. I have trucks with lots of food. Watch them travel all around along the very bumpy ground. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, let's see more inside the cab.
Let's open the door.
You can move my levers up and down. You can even turn my cab around.
Woohoo!
I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, tough and strong. I have an arm that's long, long, long. I can dig a hole that's very big. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut all day long. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all day long. The baby on the bus says, wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus says, wah, 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 all day long. The mommy on the bus says, shush, 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 shush. The mommy on the bus says, shush, 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 all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
One, two, three, four. Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only four little ducks came swimming back. One, two, three, four little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only three little ducks came swimming back. One, two, three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only two little ducks came swimming back. One, two little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only one little duck came swimming back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but one the ducks said quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks go swimming back.
See the buses in a line, muddy and covered in grime. Buckle up and sitting tight, soon they will be clean and bright. Splish, splish, splash, at the car wash, car wash. Swish, swish, wash, at the car wash, car wash. Scrub it up, bubble up, shine and sheen. At the car wash, let's get clean. See the cars all in a line, muddy and covered in grime. Buckle up and sit in tight, soon they will be clean and bright. Splish, splish, splash, at the car wash, car wash. Swish, swish, wash, at the car wash, car wash. Scrub it up, bubble up, shine and sheen. At the car wash, let's get clean. This bus is yellow, this car is pink. This bus is red, yes, red I think. This car is purple, this bus is blue. Bubbles make them shine like you. Splish, splish, splash, at the car wash, car wash. Swish, swish, wash, at the car wash, car wash. Scrub it up, bubble up, shine and sheen. At the car wash, let's get clean. At the car wash, woohoo! Beep, 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 beep.
I wash, wash, wash my hair. I wash, wash, wash my face. I wash, wash, wash my shoulders. I wash, wash, wash my arms. I wash, wash with my sponge. I clean, clean with my soap. I play with my ducky. I play with my boat. Where did my ducky go? There it is. I wash, wash my feet. I wash, wash my toes. I splash, splash, splish and splash. I love to bath. Here comes the fluffy towel. Bath time hugs are the best. I love to bath. Go away, sneezes, go away. Sneezes, go away.
There, little one, you'll be okay. Your sneezes will go away. There, little one, you'll be okay. Your sneezes will go away. My nose feels sore. My poor baby.
Go away, cough, go away. Cough, go away.
There, honey bun, you'll be okay. Your cough will go away. There, honey bun, you'll be okay. Your cough will go away.
I can't sleep.
My poor angel, you'll be better soon.
Go away, headache, go away. Headache, go away. Oh, there now. You'll be okay. Your headache will go away. There now. You'll be okay. Your headache will go away. I'm starting to feel better.
Oh, that's great. Just you rest a little longer.
My illness has gone away. I feel all okay. I feel much better today. Woohoo! Hooray! Five. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. Three. Little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. Two. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. One. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'll sing you an ocean lullaby. Snuggle down and lay your head. See horses play on the seabed. And underneath the sea below, an octopus waves hello. Fishes falling with the tide. Sea turtles swim side by side. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'll sing you an ocean lullaby. Snuggle down and eyes shut tight. Starfish light shines oh so bright. And out there in the sea so blue, there's a baby just like you. So hush, little one, don't make a peep. Shark baby's fast asleep. Hush, little baby, say good night. Jellyfish dancing Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name.
My name is Sally. I'm your babysitter today.
Everybody's got a name. So what's your name?
My name is Mia. M-I-A.
My name is Ollie. O-L-L-I-E.
My name is Ella. E-L-L-A.
Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name. Some names are different. Some names are the same. Everybody's got a name. So what's your name?
My name is Mia. M-I-A. His name is Max. M-A-X.
My name is Buster. B-U-S-T-E-R.
Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name. Some names are different. Some names are the same. Everybody's got a name. So what's your name?
Jumping, 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 jumping round the room. Look out the window, shall we jump on the moon? Helmets on, space boots too. Buckle up, we'll be there soon. Get in the spaceship, close the door. Come on, what are you waiting for? Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Zoom, zoom, zoom to the moon, moon, moon. Get in my spaceship, we'll be there soon. Jump, jump, it's like a trampoline. Jump, jump, I'm like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, I can jump so high. Jump, jump, and you can too. Here we go, hopping through the stars, jumping on the moon, leaping over Mars. Here we go, we're all space hoppers. Here we go, we're all moon boppers. Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Zoom, 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 jumping on the moon. Hop, 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 we just can't stop. Jump, jump, it's like a trampoline. Jump, jump, I'm like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, I can jump so high. Jump, jump, and you can too.
Max, let's wash your face. Let's wash your hair. Oops, I've dropped the soap. Splish, splash, splish and splosh. In the bath, do 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 do. In the bath, do 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 do. Splash and laugh, do 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 do. In the bath, splash and laugh, do 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 do. Splash and laugh, do 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 do. So much fun, do 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 do. In the bath. Max, let's wash your feet. Let's wash your toes. Now let's sail your boat. Oh, watch out!
There it goes.
In the bath, do-do-do-do-do. In the bath, do-do-do-do-do. Splash and laugh, do-do-do-do-do. In the bath. do 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 do. Splash and laugh, do 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 do. So much fun, do 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 in the bath. Max, let's wash with your sponge. Max, no splash. Hey now, I'm wet. Haha. Now let's wrap you in your towel.
Hey.
Oops,
Whoa,
this
whoa.
bathroom is such a mess.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Now let's sing it with an A. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Now with an E. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. How about with an I? I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. This time with an O. I like to oat apples and bananas. I like to oat apples and bananas. Now with a U. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. That was great, everyone. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Wobbly tooth, I've got a wobbly tooth. Wobbly tooth, I've got a wobbly tooth. Going to the dentist, got to get our teeth checked, I'm not scared, dentists really care,
Open your mouth. What have you got there? Wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth. Don't you worry. It's quite normal. Your tooth will fall out. Another will grow back.
Thank you, Mr. Dentist. That was not so bad. Wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth.
Mummy's making dinner in the kitchen. Baby Max and Baby Izzy are hungry and excited for a treat. Mummy gives them carrots. That's not what they were expecting. Mummy eats one and shows them how tasty they are. But no. These babies don't want carrots. They want a different treat. Mummy is disappointed. But then she sees another yummy veggie she can offer them. Delicious green peas. Mummy tries a spoonful. Yummy! But the babies say no, no, no. They would like a different treat. They start crying. Mummy is disappointed. But look, now she's putting 2 peas and a carrot on the plate. I wonder what she's doing. Oh, wow! She's made a fun smiley face. Wow! Max decided to give the carrot a try. It's delicious! The babies say yes, 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 and try the veggies. Yummy! Now what is Mummy going to do? Some broccoli and peas. More smiley faces! Do Max and Izzy really want them? Haha! Yes, they do. The veggies look so fun and delicious that they gobble them up as fast as they can. Haha! Look, Max and Izzy are totally full up. They've eaten all their delicious vegetables. Well done, Mummy. She has a yummy green pea too. Veggies are the best. The babies are happily playing at the soft play area. Baby Max and his Humpty Dumpty toy are ready for an adventure. Baby Max has an idea. He sits with Humpty along the edge of the ball pit. But oops! Max has had a big fall, which made the balls go flying. Oh no! A ball hit Humpty Dumpty. He's fallen on the ground and fallen to pieces. Baby Max is really sad that his favourite toy is broken. Izzy and Ali want to help. Oops! Careful! That's kind of them to help. Wait! Max has had an idea. Oh, well done, Max! He's found Humpty's hand. That doesn't look quite right, does it? Now the kids are playing with the ball. Gentle now, you don't want to push it too hard. Oh no! It's hit Max in the face and knocked over Humpty. Yikes! He's fallen apart again. The pieces are everywhere. The babies are sad. How will they fix Humpty now? Max is crying. But then... whee! If they work together, can they put Humpty back together, good as new? First a foot, then a hand, then the helmet, then another foot, then another hand. In they go. Not quite right. That's it! Well done, everyone!